Want to switch spending categories in your Monzo app? In this guide, I will show you exactly how to change a category for any transaction so your budgeting stays on point. First, open your Monzo app and head to the Home tab. Scroll down to find the recent transaction you want to edit. Tap on that transaction to open its details. Here you will see the current spending category like groceries, bills, eating out, or transport. To change it, simply tap on the category. A full list of categories will appear. Now choose the one that fits best. Maybe you want to move it from eating out to groceries or from shopping to bills. Once you tap the new category, Monzo will automatically update your budget and spending summary. If you'd like Monzo to remember your choice for similar future transactions, toggle the option that says always use this category for this merchant, and that's it. You have successfully switched a spending category in Monzo. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.